Have you ever wished there was a quicker, more efficient way to share files between devices? Well, today we're diving into the world of the Zender app and how this gem can revolutionize your file sharing experience on your Android phone. Firstly, let's talk speed. Zender is a flash when it comes to file transfers. Be it photos, videos, or vital documents, you can send them off in no time, leaving the days of sluggish transfers far behind. But the magic of Zender doesn't stop there. This app doesn't play favorites, it's all about inclusivity. Whether your friends are on Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac, Zender bridges the gap, enabling you to share files across different platforms. And here comes the cherry on the top. Zender doesn't need internet to function. Yes, you heard right. No Wi-Fi, no data, no problem. This means you can share files even while you're trekking in the wilderness. Zender also makes group sharing a piece of cake. You can share files with multiple people simultaneously, making it a perfect tool for sharing those memorable vacation snaps with your friends or working on group projects. Keeping your files in order is a breeze with Zender's inbuilt file manager. This means you can manage your files without leaving the app. We're glad to have you with us on this Zender journey, and we hope you're finding our content useful. If you are, we'd love for you to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this, and we're constantly on the lookout for new apps and tips to feature. So, hit that subscribe button, and don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We're grateful for your time and viewership, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Thank you and stay tuned. Upgrading to a new phone? Zender's phone replication feature ensures you can transfer all your data to your new device with ease. The app also allows you to preview media files without downloading them, saving your precious storage space. Privacy is paramount for Zender. All your file transfers are encrypted, and you can secure the app with a PIN or your fingerprint, ensuring your data is always protected. Despite all these features, Zender is a lightweight app and it doesn't display any annoying ads. Last but not the least, Zender is an app that's constantly evolving. The development team works tirelessly on updates to enhance performance and introduce new features. So there you have it. 10 compelling reasons why Zender could be a game changer for your file sharing needs. From lightning-fast file transfers to cross-platform compatibility and top-notch privacy, Zender has it all. Look out for the Zender app icon when you search in your app store. It's a vibrant, colorful symbol that stands out, making it easy to spot. Remember, it's crucial to download the correct app for the best file sharing experience. So keep an eye out for this icon and you're all set to enjoy seamless file transfers with Zender. We hope you found this video guide about Zender useful. To ensure you don't miss out on more such handy tips and app suggestions, please do subscribe to our channel. Your subscription not only supports our work, but also keeps you updated with the latest content. We continually strive to bring you the most effective solutions and app suggestions to make your digital life easier. We thank you for tuning in today and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, your tech journey becomes simpler with us by your side, so hit that subscribe button now and stay tuned for more.